The world of interior design is ever evolving, with trends and styles constantly shifting to new aesthetics, technologies, and lifestyles. When it comes to home cabinet design, staying ahead of the curve can transform space into modern functionality and style. The anticipated cabinet design trends, providing you with a sneak peek into the future of interior design. Environmental consciousness continues. Homeowners are expected to gravitate towards sustainable cabinet materials. Cabinet crafted from reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled materials will not only reduce the environmental footprint but also add a touch of natural elegance to your poised to be the year of mixing and matching materials in cabinet design. Expect to see combinations like wood, metal, glass, concrete, or even unexpected pairing that create visually striking cabinets. This trend adds depth and texture to your space while showcasing unique style. In the age of smart homes, cabinet design is getting tech-savvy upgrade. Anticipate innovative solutions like sensor-activated lighting, built-in charging, and modular cabinet layouts that adapt to your storage needs. Efficiency and functionality will be at the forefront of cabinet design, with some homeowners opting for minimalist cabinet designs featuring clean lines and subtle finishes, while others embrace maximalism with bold colors, intricate details, and ornate hardware. The key is to make a statement that resonates with your personal style. Color palette for cabinets is expected to draw inspiration from nature, with earthy tones like rich greens, warm terracottas, and deep blues take stage. These colors will create a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. Floating cabinets and open shelving systems are predicted to continue rise in popularity. These designs impart an airy and contemporary feel to your space, while also providing an opportunity to showcase your favorite decor pieces. World of home cabinet design evolves rapidly, and 2024 promises to bring exciting new trends that cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Whether you're drawn to sustainability, smart functionality, or bold aesthetics, there's a cabinet design trend waiting to transform your living space. Stay tuned for 2024 as the year unfolds with innovative cabinet design possibilities. Follow us and get more details.